So what's up everyone and welcome to another trade recap on the channel. Today was amazing day. So we had total of 2 trades today, as you can see right here. And so far this month I'm gonna show you my results, which was basically 4 trades in total, 3 wins and 1 break even. So we have 100% win rate, which is of course most likely going to change till the end of this month because we have like all of this left to this month, and of course there is probably gonna be some losers. So today we made nice little like $3.35,000, like how do you call it, like $3,3500, but that doesn't matter. What matters is that I show you why I took the trade, how I took the trade, and basically all behind the trade. So we actually took 2 trades, which you can see right here. So let's just like get started with a higher time frame bias and why did I want to go to the upside. So if we scale out to higher time frame, you can instantly see that here on the 4-hour and 1-hour time frame, this is all-time highs. So this is, for all of you that don't know, all-time highs, which is basically like the highest NQ has ever been, as you can see right here. So if we scale out all the way back, NQ has never been this high. I mean, it has at this point, but never been higher. So it is all-time highs, and that is just huge magnet in the markets. And basically I marked it, and I will always target all-time highs when we are near them. So as you can see on the 4-hour, we retested this fair value gap, so we respected a fair value gap perfectly to the upside. And what did I do? I went to a lower time frame. Let's just get ahead and go to, let's say, 15-minute time frame, and this spike to the upside happened just before the market opened on the news, which made me think that we are not gonna get any setups, but in the end we actually had setups. And let's just go to, let's say, 5-minute chart. You can see that this was 8:30 right here. So 8:30 news got released and we had a huge spike to the upside. We almost took all-time highs, but market decided to do the right thing and it decided to actually retrace to the downside. So that was a good thing for us because we ended up making profits. Also, some of my students ended up making profits, which is great, which I love to see, because of course that's like, if they make profits, that's like, if I didn't make profits and they make profits, I'm still gonna be happy. So basically you can see right here that after this little retrace, market open happened right here. On the market open, 5 minutes after the market open, we got a nice 5-minute setup. So basically what I would want to do for today, since we are at all-time highs, we are respecting 4-hour like bullish fair value gap, I just want to take aggressive longs to the upside. And basically this is the first setup that popped up. I took it, you can see on the close of the 5 minutes right here. Actually the downside of this setup was we had a fair value gap on a 15-minute time frame, but it just didn't matter for me that much because like it is such a huge probability of us hitting the all-time highs that I took the risk to the upside, because 8 out of 10 times this is gonna work out. I just know it because of experience, and yeah, that's just normal thing to like. I have the feeling that when we are this close to all-time highs, setups to the upside are just gonna work. So what happened? I placed my break even on this high right here. You can see on the 1 minute we have this little liquidity point right here, and after we topped it, market just straight dumped, and thank to God I had my break even on, because this is my break even strategy. I always put the break even on the first little liquidity like level, liquidity point, and it saved me. As you can see, it would be a instant loss, and as you can see after that we dumped straight to the downside, and here another opportunity happened. So we had this manipulation leg right here, so market swept once again. We swept some of these lows right here, and basically what happened, if we look on the 3-minute time frame, let's first look, let's look on the 3-minute time frame. So on the 3-minute time frame, I could actually delete all of this so it doesn't confuse you. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see that we had a beautiful inversion of this basically fair value gap right here. So you can see right here, oh, what did I click? Yeah, it just trading view was bugged up. So you can see that we have this fair value gap right here, and the 3-minute time frame perfectly inversed to the upside. So why didn't I enter the trade right here? Because you can see the 2-minute time frame actually has a huge fair value gap that can still get respected. So I just waited patiently, and look at what happened. 2 minutes closed perfectly to the upside. And what did I do? I sent this trade out to my Discord. Like, I sent it out to my Discord, and I think after this, so at this candle, at the huge drawdown, I sent it out to my free Discord. So if somebody from my free Discord took this trade, they would have like entered, let's say right here, and they could have made huge profits. But yeah, I entered the trade right here and sent it out in a drawdown because we love the transparency, boys. And let's see what happens next. We started pumping to the upside. This was my break-even point. And for this trade, since I right here saw the momentum, like, I don't want to see this. Honestly, I don't want to see this. I want to see straight volume to the upside because when we are at all-time highs, I just want to see straight volume to the upside. So when I saw this candle, I took some partials right here, and then another candle right here. It was this one, and then the other one. I took all the profits right here. So all the profits right here, I took it because I was happy with the 1.3 risk to reward. And look at what happened right after that. So I sent in that I took all the profits, I'm out of the trade, and look what happened. Literally nothing. Like, look at this. For like an hour we just straight sat at the same spot, and like thankfully I was out of the trade. I mean, the trade did play out all the way to up here, which of course if somebody left some runners or something, it would be great because it is a huge risk to reward. But yeah, I just personally like to like take my profits and dip out of the market because I do that for a long time and it just works for me so great. So yeah, I just did it. But if anybody held the runners all the way to this high, that is perfectly fine and perfectly good. So yeah, that was my basically trading day for today. One break even, one win, and that's basically it. So I hope you guys took some wins too today because it was basically nice price action for today and a clear bias to the upside. So yeah, I'm just gonna see you in the next trade recap. See you guys.